Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by verifying prerequisites so you avoid chasing ghost issues. First, open your app settings and confirm the Google Lens version and your OS are current. Outdated builds often fail. Next, make sure camera and storage permissions are granted and that lens is exempt from aggressive battery optimization. Clear the app cache and then restart the device to release stuck resources. Once done, open Lens and attempt a simple scan, so you can observe the initial behavior before deeper fixes. Now you move into the detailed troubleshooting steps that resolve most persistent failures. Force stop Google Lens, and if scans still fail, clear app data to remove corrupt settings, then sign back into your Google account so Lens can access cloud features. Network problems block recognition, so test on Wi-Fi and mobile data and toggle airplane mode for 10 seconds to reset radios. Finally, update or reinstall the Google app and Play services, and check system updates. These restore broken dependencies that Lens relies on. To finish, apply advanced measures only after the prior steps fail. Reset app preferences to restore default handlers, or create a new device user profile to determine if the problem is account-specific. If all else fails and Lens still fails to process images, back up your data and perform a factory reset as a final remedy. This clears deep system corruption. If the issue persists, capture error messages or a logcat trace and report those details to support so they can target the exact failure mode.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.